putting these camber tops in, which is all well and good, so that it can affix, so that it can affix to the. I bought a lathe. So I'm still around working on the car. I just haven't had much time to do too much. So I'm still working on those front struts. Last time I posted something up, I just showed what it took to put these custom made top hats on here onto the cam top so that I can insert them into the car. But in having said that, this end down here, which fits into the spindle or hub or whatever you want to call it, is too narrow as it's for an EK Civic. So what I'm going to do is use my lathe that I bought just to turn down some of this aluminium stock to make a sleeve to go around it. So I've taken measurements somewhere. I'll try and show as many videos as I can. It's not that complex of a job really. It's just going to be sort of like a sleeve with a split down it so I can compress, and I might put a chamfer in there if I need to, or have the skill to. So I won't, most likely. So let me tell you why that was a stupid idea. I ended up making the part, which fits beautifully. But in the calculations, I forgot there were 2 thicknesses to the wall. And I thought it was going to be 3 mil the whole way around, but it was actually 1.5, which is tiny. Probably could have made it out of pipe. I was using that, which means that all came from this. It's about 4 years later and I'm very tired, but got one. So I might do the other one slightly different. Let me